Hi everyone, my name is Saurav Vasef Chaudhary. Today date is 23rd December 2021 and today's topic name is Deadlock and Consumer Producer Program in Multithreading. So let's start with Deadlock program. So in Deadlock we will create two classes. First class is class 5 and second class is class 6. So in class 5 we will create two methods which are first method is m1 method, second one is m2 method. So in m1 method public static synchronized void m1 method, and next is public static synchronized void m2 method. And in class 6 we will create also two method which are m1 method and m2 method, public static synchronized void m1 method and public static synchronized void m2 method. So to for deadlock we will call the class 5th in class 5 m1 method we will call class 6 m2 method, and in class 6 m1 method we will call class 5 m2 method. So to call this class 5 fifth method m1 method and class 6 m1 method we will create two threads. So for calling the class 5 m1 method we will create thread 5. So to make this thread 5 as a thread we will extend thread, and to execute this thread 5 we will create run method, and in run method we will call the class 5 m1 method, and we will create another thread which is thread 6. In to make this thread 6 as a thread we will extend thread, and to execute this thread 6 we will write a run method. In run method we will call class 6 m1 method. So to start this thread 5 and thread 6 we will create one my class. In my class in main method we will create the object of thread 5 and thread 6. For thread 5 we will create object as a t5, and for thread 6 we will create object as a t6. So by t5 dot start and by t6 dot start main thread we will start the execution of the thread 5 and thread 6. So thread 5 will call the class 5 m1 method, and this class 5 m1 method will call the class 6 m2 method, and thread 6 call the class 6 m1 method, and this class 6 m1 method call the class 5 m2 method. But both the methods are synchronized. So at the time of thread 5 start the execution, so it call the class 5 m1 method and it wait to complete the execution of thread 6, and thread 6 call the class 6 m1 method and it wait to complete the execution of thread 5. So in this case both threads are the threads are in this case deadlock will be occur. This is the example of the deadlock. To avoid this deadlock we will use the methods and the calling the methods of the class. This is the deadlock. Next example, next is consumer and producer program. So in this consumer and producer program we will create one class which name is shop. In this shop method we will create one variable which is static int pen is equals to 2. For this we will create two methods. First is producer method, second one is consumer method. So in this producer method we will pen plus plus and sys out the pen, and in consumer method we will minus the pen, means pen minus minus and sys out pen. So to call this consumer method and producer method we will create two threads which are the for calling the producer method we will create producer thread, and for calling the consumer method we will create the consumer thread. So create the producer thread. In producer thread, to make this thread as a thread, we will extend thread, and to execute this thread, we will create run method. In run method, we will call the next is we will create thread consumer. To make this thread consumer as a thread, we will extend thread, and to execute this thread, we will create one run method. So to start this thread consumer and thread producer, we will create the one my class. In my class, in main method, we will create object of these threads. Thread producer. For thread producer, we will create the P, and for thread consumer, we will create the C. And in this thread, we will pass the shop. To pass this shop, we will create the shop class object, and to pass we will pass this shop object through the main method and receive in the producer thread. So to initialize this object local object as an instance object, we will create one instance object which is shop, and we will initialize this shop object in constructor by using this dot shop is equals to shop, and we will in run method we will call the shop dot in consumer thread we will call shop dot consumer, and in producer thread we will call shop dot producer. So by using this, we will create the consumer and producer program. This is the all about the deadlock and consumer producer program. Thank you.